Hi guys, Derek here. So here we have November's mystery box from Skolder. This is a mystery box which is around £30 in the UK plus £5 shipping, and you get 4 samples of filament. You also get a project for the month. You also get a tool as well. And if you do have a project and it requires any electronics or anything like that, they're also included in the box. You get obviously sweets, you get and obviously you get some stickers as well. So this is November's mystery box for 2019. Let's open it up. I only received it last night, but due to work commitments, I was obviously at work, and I'm opening it up as we speak now. Okay, here we go. So what Skolder is doing now is adding these mystery samples as test prints, so you can see what they look like. You also get a good sort of sense of colour. So you've got a crimson, a rose and ABS black. Oh, okay, cool. I don't know if there's another. Yeah, there is another one in there. So sample mystery box, and we've got a PLA. Is that graphite? Graphite, maybe. Okay, I'll put those to one side. Here we go. We have the black ABS. So they all come in a shrink wrap with a descant pack as well. A QR code, which obviously you can go to the site and order your own. We have, oh sorry, this is from a company called Yonai. Okay. This is from 3D Tomorrow. This is the Silk PLA Rose Quartz, and to be honest, that does look quite nice. Obviously the camera is not doing it any justice. Let's have a look. Polyalchemy. This is the Crimson Red, which looks extremely nice. Once again, this is PLA. So apart from the ABS, we've got PLA, and we've got PLA. Awesome. So easy to print this month. The ABS obviously will take a little bit of extra temperature. This is easy PLA graphite from Fibrology. So when there's a QR code, if you want to scan that, you're very welcome to. What's this from Ripcord? Okay, so this is the project for the month by looks of things. We have Ripcord, RepWinder version 2.14. So this looks like so obviously this will put tension on your filament when it feeds it. It's going to keep it, roll it back as well, so it'll keep it nice and tight, but not tight enough to ruin the extruder or the feeder. So that'd be quite cool. Let's have a look in here what we've got. We've got sticker, Rushmere 3D. Give these guys, go to this guy's website. Just Google Rushmere 3D. This guy does real good quality stuff as well. Looking in here, we've got some sweets. We've got some fizzers. We have some sour refreshers. Might give that to the wife. We've got a lolly. Looks like a Halloween themed lolly. What's this? Okay, so we got 5 times Mark 8 style Hotend Brass Nozzles. Oh, very nice. Mark 8 brass nozzles. Okay. I'm going to have a closer look to see what they are. They could be 0.4. I'm just having a quick look. Okay, they do look like they're just 0.4 brass Mark 8 style hot ends. So this will be the tool, and you can never do without enough brass nozzles, which is really cool. So this month's filament box, we have some brass nozzles, we have the RepWinder, we have the 4 lots of PLA, or well 3 lots of PLA, 2, 3, black ABS, and the sweets sticker, and the mystery samples. Yeah, like that, perfect. So there we go, that's what we've got in this month's box, November the 2019. As I've said, links in the description below for everything you need to know that came in the box. I'll also put a link down below where you can go and get one of these sample boxes. It will be like a affiliate link from me to Skolder, so he can see that I'm throwing some business his way, and I might get a kickback, which would be very kind, very nice. But anyway, thanks again. Hoping that I get the December box before Christmas, which would be really cool. And give us a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you don't. If you don't, please let me know why. If you do give us a like, make sure you subscribe. The subscribe button will be over there somewhere. And I always sign out by saying, be yourself. Alright, see you later. Bye.